Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be checking out Christchurch Quay. Christchurch is a town on the south coast of Dorset, founded in the 7th century. The closest car park is just off Wick Lane in Christchurch. There are quite a few car park spaces, but as you can see on this hot day it was full. But there are other car parks nearby that have a larger capacity. Here are the prices. As you can see, dependent on the time of year, the prices do change. You can also pay by app. The quay is a 10-minute walk away from Christchurch train station. If you're catching a bus into Christchurch, and this is about 5 minutes from the bus stops. Exiting the car park, the first thing you come across is the splash pad and the playground. There's a large shaded area covered by trees. This will be great for the family to stay and hang out for the day. Also in this area you will find the Old Mill kiosk. This is a kiosk that sells snacks, drinks, ice creams, etc. This is part of the Old Mill Cafe, which we'll show you later in the video. The kiosk only takes cash. Just by the car park is the public slipway. This is where members of the public can launch their boats. Just across the field from the playground is where you can find the public toilets. At the boathouse there is a mini golf course. It's a 12-hole mini golf course. There's no obstacles and it looks quite basic. The course is only open in the summertime and no booking is necessary. You can hire a speedboat from Quay Leisure. The prices are half an hour for £25 or an hour for £35. This is quite reasonable and they supply young children with life vests. A valid ID is required as a deposit and they give you a brief lesson on how to operate the boat. River cruises are also available, going from Christchurch Quay to Mudford Beach, Hengistbury Head, Tuckton Tea Gardens and Wick Captain's Club. The Old Mill tea rooms serve fish and chips, hot and cold meals, snacks, drinks and much more. The duck and stall in Christchurch dates back to the mid-14th century. Women found guilty of verbal abuse, brawling or any other antisocial behaviours were tied to the duck and stall and raised and lowered into the river as their punishment. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe. We have many more videos coming up, and we'll see you in the next one.